model, 2019 Ford Transit 352.2 TDCI long wheelbase, high top 20 TDCI non-runner timing wet belt snapped no VAT. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 110443. MOT, the 19th of February 2026. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 130 PSA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, none-runner, timing belt has snapped. Straightforward simple repair if you know what you are doing, no VAT, absolute bargain grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 0 former keepers, aircon, parking sensors, cruise control, electric windows, sat-nav. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £7,125 plus VAT.